so you can have a baby by this nigga Jody, but you ain't trying to fuck with me, huh?
You better take your ass to the couch, Rodney, before I call your parole officer.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. You're probably wondering where I'm at.
That's really none of your business.
Just know that one of my homegirls finally came through, you know what I'm saying, with a good idea. But, well, I came through with the idea.
After my parole officer seen all them letters you wrote me, he approved me to come stay here.
Before we do get into this video, do me a favor. I would say break out the sanitizer, but y'all can break that out anyway. And while you are sanitizing, hit me up for 400 likes on this joint. And if you don't mind, come on! Oh, you thought, nah, it's the weekday, you know what I'm saying? Word. But we got this Fiji water, hydrate. And before we get into this vid, got a few pickups, you already know. First off, shout out to Into the AM. Check them out. You can use my discount code. My discount code is in the video description below. You can save an extra 10% upon any type of sales they have. What that mean? If they got like 70, 60, 50, put my 10 upon that, and my math is bad, but it's just an extra 10. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, boom. Got a nice tee, not a white tee, but a nice tee. I think I'm gonna be able to rock this joint down here, even though I'm kind of like handicapped when it comes to like my fit selection, but we're gonna make it happen. So, okay, yeah. So, check out the front. Got that little wave right there, you already know, got the wave. Now on the back, it's looking like Hawaii out there. Into the AM, established 2012, stay inspired. Y'all like this tee right here. Matter of fact, I will be able to rock this joint because I did something smart. I bought a pair of sneaks that I can be able to bang with these. So, hell yeah, man. Don't forget, check them out. They also have a t-shirt club. You can use my code WAVY80. You join the club, first tees for free. Then after that, $14.95 a month. You can get a fresh new tee in, just like this. Each month I signed up for the club, and like I said, first month is free, just by using WAVY80. And if you don't want to use the club joint, you just use my link below. 10% off these joints. Yo, they do got some, I keep, like I've been drinking, you see me? But anyway, yo, yeah. But they do got some fly joints, check them out. Word, shout out to It's the AM again for holding me down, all the way down in the Ville. Word. You already know, man, with this COVID epidemic. Shout out to my man Daniel Grant Customs, Dapper Daniel, for lacing me. Here goes his joint right here. Don't forget to check his joint out. You can check him out at danielgrand.com. I'm gonna put his website up. You already know. And like I said before, yo, he does tees. This hat right here. He does sneaks. You name it! And right now he's doing, okay, damn, I thought you were gonna say, okay. I thought you were gonna send me the off-white joint, but we bourbon. We definitely bourbon it right here. So, got the COVID mask. Now don't go out thinking like this gonna save you, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna keep you fly during this pandemic, you know what I'm saying? Okay? Yeah, okay. Check out the back. I'm gonna let y'all see a couple views of this joint. Yeah, this joint is nice. You really surprised me on this, I ain't gonna front. Yeah. Give me a second, let me go shove this in my homegirl's face. Yo, check this out.
So what?
She was hating. So, yeah. So, nah, this joint is hard right here, man. Y'all get a couple more views. Yo, he got the Louis, he got the Gucci. Y'all already know, you name it. The Nike. I thought I was gonna get the Off-White, but yo, this doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? Be chilling. Like I said, this ain't gonna save your life. It's just gonna have you, you know, look fresh when you out. You know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
Use my discount code, GrandWave10, save 10% off your purchase, anything there. Use my discount code, you can get that 10% off. All right, so it's time to get into what we've all been waiting for, what I've been waiting for since 1999.
2000 party, oops, out of time.
You know what I'm saying? All right.
Turn up the bass.
Ooh, you already know, can't do it again, but yeah, man. So, it's the Air Jordan 5 red joints. I ain't even looked at these. I haven't even opened them up. I just took them out the box after I sanitized the box. You already know. So we're gonna take it to the front. Air Jordan 5 retro, size 10, true white, fire red, black. Yeah, these not to read.
Miss Jansen said I got problems reading out loud.
It just comes in a regular box. We ain't worried about this, man. I just want to see these joints with that Nike Air right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn. Yo, these joints is clean. Nice summer sneaker right here. But I believe when they did drop, I know they dropped again and again, but when they did drop in 1999, I believe it was starting to get cold. I'm gonna do, I'll probably do a what would I rock and a sneaker story about these, cause I do got a sneaker story for years, pause. But yeah man, these are joints right here. Yeah, a couple looks right quick while I'm checking them out. These joints are clean. Yo, I'm not the biggest 5 lover, like at all, but This is my favorite colorway on the 5s. Like, I don't know. I do like the metallics, but I just love these for some reason. I think it was because when I finally did get my my little ducats up in high school, I was able to, I think this is the first pair of Jordans that I bought with my money. And greedily sold them, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me get I sold them for some foolishness, but we'll get into that on the sneaker story. But I'll probably definitely do a what would I rock on these. But anyway, yo, let's get into it. Bam, we're gonna take it to the sole. You got your patented Air Jordan 5 sole right here. Translucent at the heel with the herringbone traction. Herringbone traction. How the fuck?
Hey, watch your mouth.
With the herringbone traction. Why can't I say that word?
You non-talking bastard.
Traction. Yeah, with the herringbone traction. In the middle, you got the black color blocking with the Nike lettering. And at the top, you got the translucent sole again with that red Jumpman. I ain't gonna lie, the Jumpman's foot always looked blocky to me. It looks crazy, like, yo, they could have did better. You know what I'm saying? But that's what it is. Take it to the medial side. You can see the translucent sole on the medial side, as well as the black midsole, as well as that white shark fin. And on the midsole, you got the see-through air unit right there. Now the upper's all white. Now you got that plastic cage right here. A real trademark of the Jordan 5, sets it off for me. Now leading up to the top right here, when I was younger, I used to think like these pumped up or something. I was like, yeah, they pump, you know, but I ain't have them, you know, at the time. But yeah, I did think they pump. Duh. The Jordan 5 was the first Jordan to come through with the see-through air unit. No, it didn't. It was the 3s. He thought, I got him. But anyway, yeah. And on the medial side, you got the 3 plastic lacelets right here, and right here. We'll take to the lateral side, the side that gets the shine and sets it off. Same as the medial side with the sole. You got that translucent sole protruding right here and right here, but you got those red shark teeth right here. I love this side. Word. And then you also got the black midsole right there. Air unit right here. The upper, all white. You got that plastic cage right there. And around the ankle, you got that puffy part right here that does not pump. Don't get it confused. You got the 3 plastic lacelets right here. Take it to the toe box. It's white.
Yeah, I can see that.
White laces. I always forget about the laces. And on the tongue, you got that white plastic material right here. Going up to the metallic 3M tongue. That also sets it off with the red Jumpman. And this is my favorite part of the 5s right here. The lace lock with the plastic piece. Oh yeah, and the top of the 5, it's like it's a metallic gray, but it's 3M. Or when you take that picture, it's really gonna bang. The inside of the sneaker is red, and inside the tongue, you got the black Air Jordan lettering upside down. You know I'm gonna ask the question. Am I gonna do this? Yeah, okay, cool.
Go.
Black insole, Nike Air lettering, and the swoosh in white. The joint back in.
Pause.
Man, I'm gonna tell you, before you rock these, spray these joints down, especially if you're gonna rock these with some like those like some indigo jeans or some black jeans. That's why I ain't break out nothing black or nothing heavy to bleed on these joints, cause boy. And last but not least, we're gonna take it to the edge. Pause. You can see that icy, oh, matter of fact, it's an icy blue sole. My bad, I kept saying translucent this whole time. This is an icy blue sole. You can see the icy blue sole protruding through in the back. Black midsole right here. And my favorite, Nike Air lettering with the swoosh in red. All white in the back. And I love the back of the sneaker, how it's offset. Word. Oh, my bad, y'all. I kept saying translucent this whole time. This is an icy blue sole, as a matter of fact. Yeah, okay. So yeah, man, these the 5s right here. They supposed to drop sometime in May. I went ahead and pulled the trigger and wanted to get these joints early because now that I'm down here, I don't know how the sneaks, like how it really go here with only like, in my mind, 2 sneaker stores. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time to be fighting the masses, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these are them. I suggest that if you cop these joints, spray these down right away, especially if you, I mean, I know it's getting warm out here, so it's probably gonna be some socks and some shorts. I meant to say shorts first, but if you are gonna rock these, make sure you spray these joints down, especially if you're rocking like some indigo jeans, some black jeans, or dark jeans. I made sure that I ain't bring none of that for this on foot. Best on foot on YouTube, you already know. Yeah, so these are them right there. Let me know if y'all gonna cop these joints. I seen, shout out to my man T-Jack. He said he is through with these. He said if they would've dropped last month, he would've copped, but me, if they would've dropped any month, I'll be copping. Word. And my bad about the light going on in and out. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta deal with it. Hey yo, let me know what 5 y'all like better, the fire red joints or the metallics. These are my first pick. This is a clean sneaker. It's dope as hell. Everything kind of like sets it off for me. I do like the metallic 5s. It's not like I'm like, I do want to go back and cop them joints, but These are like my first pick, like word up, like I love these joints right here. Everything screams the 90s on these right here, word. Don't think I'll be rocking them anytime soon because my 2012 pair is looking pretty good. I know a lot of people have been saying that they're gonna stick to their 2012 pair and they're gonna kind of skip over these, but I just couldn't. And you will find out why on my sneaker story that I'm gonna come up with, because right now we just worried about that on foot, you know what I'm saying? But one other thing that sets these off, and let me give a shout out, I meant to do this at the beginning of the video, let me give a shout out to NES1, yo, stay safe up there, I appreciate you looking out for me on these joints, because I seen a lot of people when they was lacing these joints up, they didn't have the plastic piece right here. And I forgot to mention with the lace lock, it's got that clear plastic lace lock holder with Nike lettering. Anyway, I've been seeing people not lacing their joints. Well, they've been putting the lace lock down here and kind of like discarding the plastic piece. I keep my joints because you know I like to, I got a few of them, so I'm gonna lace them up a different way. But anyway, man, like I said, 400 likes on this joint. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, everybody that's been holding me down, liking all that. I wanna keep bringing more content like this in this surrounding right here. I appreciate my homegirl for letting me use her spot. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Stay tuned for that best on foot.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
Tell them, I'm my baby ride. Bitch, I'm on my baby ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Paper ride. Paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Wow. Wow. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. All this fucking paper. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Like a. Yeah. Yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper ride. Friends they come and they go. Cause the hood breeze, Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood brings, talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking, why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it, I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow, this is how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang, 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 bang. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper ride. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper ride. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Very bottle landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper ride. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper ride. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper ride. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the flow, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I want that paper round. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't gotta turn the lights on. You exquisite girl, you so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Hold me P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Hold me P Dice with the man. Then look, I said it now. Scram.
You ain't top 5 dead or alive. Man, I wish that nigga was here. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like, fuck Khaled. That nigga let you know every verse.